Our next feature that we're going to look at for AI behaviors is our reload feature that we've added for the attack state. The first thing we want to do is take a look at the states that we have set up. We're going to look at our idle state. The idle state is going to be looking for a beyond distance and a within distance for the nested trigger. So as long as it's beyond 1 unit and it's within 6 units, then the state to change to is going to be the ranged attack. If we take a look at our ranged attack, down at the bottom, we can see that we have attacks before reload and attack count. The attacks before reload is how many times it can attack before it actually has to reload to continue attacking. The attack count is the number that the unit is initialized with, the number that it actually starts with. So if we were to set this one, let's say to 2, and let's set this one to 4, then it's going to take 2 shots before it actually has to reload, and then once it reloads, it'll start back at the 4. The reload state, this is the state that we're going to change to once we have to reload. We created a new state based off of the idle state. So if we go up here to the reload state, this is simply just using the idle state, and we're changing out the animation for the reload. So if you notice on the trigger, it says a time trigger. We're just simply going to say it takes about 4 seconds, give or take 1 second, to actually reload. Then once it reloads, the change to state is going to be the ranged attack. Then down here under the animation rollout, we're just going to use a defend motion just so that we can see the change of the state. So let's go ahead and go back to our ranged attack so that we can watch this variable change as we start to work on it. And we'll hit play. And as we move into the distance, we're getting our 1, 2, and our last shot, he's reloading for 4 seconds plus or minus 1, and then back to his attack count, which starts at 1, then counts up to 4. And we'll dodge that last one. There we go. So that's the reload working for us. Hope you enjoy it.